Few weeks ago, I was struggling to get 100 views per video in my faceless channel. My channel was barely making $200 in a month. Then I discovered these 10 ChatGPT prompts. As I'm talking to you now, I have 30,000 views in one video. This month, I've made $1,200 in YouTube as my revenue. And my content creation business, I create advert videos for people, short form videos for their businesses, have made me, because of this secret prompt, it has made me, should I tell you this one? It has made me over $2,000. I create videos, just less than a minute videos, and they are paying $60, $70, $80, $100 for one video that my face is not there, my voice is not there. This 10 prompts, I did not get it for free, but in this video I'm gonna give it to you for free. I paid $30 for it, but I do not mind. All I want from you is subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment on the comment section, say anything that comes to your mind. What is the level you are in your content creation? What is the most challenging part of your content creation? Say it in the comment section so that you get a solution. Today, I'm giving you the exact prompts that transform my content creation and my business. But before I release these prompts to you, I need you to promise me just one thing, which is that you not just watch this video and get those prompts and not use them, because what I'm about to show you will only work if you take action. Don't watch this video like every other video and forget it, or watch it halfway and run away. If you need solution to your viral content, watch this video till the end. You can even watch it twice to grab more value that will change your content creation. Challenging parts of your content creation, say it in the comment section so that you get a solution. Today, I'm giving you the exact prompts that transform my content creation and my business. But before I release these prompts to you, I need you to promise me just one thing, which is that you not just watch this video and get those prompts and not use them, because what I'm about to show you will only work if you take action. Don't watch this video like every other video and forget it, or watch it halfway and run away. If you need solution to your viral content, watch this video till the end. You can even watch it twice to grab more value that will change your content creation. I am not joking. And if you use this prompt and start this prompt to make you your first $100, $200, $300 in YouTube, in TikTok, in any of your social media handles, on your business, come back to this video. Make sure you come back to this video and leave a comment saying Sleek AI changed my life. Let's see how many success stories we can create together. This was my YouTube channel 30 days ago. Average views 200, 5 subscribers per week, making about $28 for 1 month. And this is today. Average view is now 25,000 views per video, 500 new subscribers weekly, and is making $1,250 this month alone. The content creation business clients increased. This same prompt can work for you, not just working for you, can change your life the way it has changed mine. And these prompts can work for any content creator in any niche, anytime, any day. All you do is just to tweak it. Put your topic. Let me show you how you do it. Come to my laptop. So in next few minutes, this is what we are going to look into. The magic prompt that I'm releasing. Here is the prompt 1. It says, as a viral content expert, I am creating a video about, you put your topic this place. Put your topic here. Let me put my topic, how to use AI. Once you are done putting your topic, you copy it like this and go and paste in ChatGPT or Cloud AI, anyone you prefer. Just paste it here and then click on send, and then ChatGPT will bring out the results of what you are asking for. See the results. See what ChatGPT brought out for me. See the result. This is so amazing. Just use this prompt so you will understand what I am saying. I know you might not be seeing everything here. Just use this prompt and thank me later. So this is prompt number 2. This is talking about, he said, you are a content strategist for a, you put your niche here, my niche, how to use AI. So you still copy it, go and paste in your ChatGPT or Cloud, and it will bring out your results. If you see amazing result that ChatGPT gave me with this magic prompt, if you see the results, you will be wowed. Just go ahead and use all these prompts the way you like and make a viral, good quality content that will get you being visible on this online space. Then we learn to prompt number 3. This prompt says, analyze the psychology of viral YouTube thumbnail. This is a golden prompt you use to generate eye-catchy, engaging thumbnail. Just come here, that thing that is the topic of your video. So you will now ask me, how can I get the topic of my video? Did you remember the prompt that gave you all the 30 days content? Just go to that prompt where you have your 30 days content. See mine. Copy this title. This is the first video you are doing. You copy the title, then come back to this prompt and remove this. Add your title. Okay, add your video title, remove it and paste that topic there. Then copy everything and go back to ChatGPT and paste it there. Click on send. In few seconds, voila, ChatGPT will give you amazing prompt you will use to generate your thumbnail. I'll just copy the prompt. I come to Google AI Studio. That's where I generate my thumbnail these days. So I open Google AI Studio where I have Nano Banana. I open it and paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave me and click on run. And Google AI Studio will generate an amazing thumbnail. Look at the first thumbnail that it generated for me. Look at the thumbnail. Look at the thumbnail. So catchy. Okay, you can still generate as many as you want, change the colors and all that till you get what you are looking for. Look at the second one I generated. I now used my image. I uploaded my image in Nano Banana and used the image to generate this. Let's go to prompt 4. So this is prompt 4. It says you are a YouTube script expert. Take this rough video timeline, paste your raw video timeline. You will still ask me, how can I get my rough video timeline? It is very easy. ChatGPT has given you everything you needed already. Did you remember that place that you pasted that they gave you 30 days video content? Copy everything in this your day 1 content. That is your rough timeline content strategy. Okay, copy everything from the title to the description, everything in this line. Just copy it and add it to your prompt and paste in ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you amazing results. You are welcome to number 5 prompt. In this number 5 prompt is talking about how to create. He said create a content strategy that positions me as the go-to expert in my niche. So your niche, put your niche here and put in my own, how to use AI. So you copy it after putting your niche and paste in ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you amazing results that you will not believe. ChatGPT will give you things that will make you stand out in your content creation. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment on the comment section. What do you think about all these prompts? Then subscribe, because I will stop here. The remaining 5 prompts will come in the next video. So subscribe so you'll be opportune to use the remaining 5 prompts. Bye.